This tutorial is going to show you how to unsubscribe from emails that somehow you subscribe to. Whether it was a free subscription or whether it was a trial, you may end up getting email from people maybe that you do not want on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and I'm going to launch my account. I'm going to go ahead and go to my Gmail account. Under my Gmail, on the left-hand side, there's an option under my inbox that says More. I'm going to click on the More button. A little farther down, you have one that says Manage Subscriptions. I'm going to click on Manage Subscriptions. Here are a few emails that I get that I may not want on a weekly basis or on a daily basis. I am not getting a lot. This will tell you how often you're getting them, but I just don't need to get it anymore. So I'm going to click on maybe something such as the Food Service Sustainability Solutions. Click on Unsubscribe. It's as simple as clicking on a button that says Unsubscribe. This should cut down on the number of emails that you're getting on a weekly basis, and the most important ones will stay in your inbox.